Let's unbox our cancel stick. First, we're going to have a bag, and inside that bag will be instructions. What this is going to do is going to send you to the videos. Everything's online that you'll need to set it up, the demonstration, along with your invoice and a business card. You will get a wrench, an Allen wrench, and the bolt. We will pull out our cup. This is our suction cup, our cancel stick. On the metal end of the cancel stick, you're going to slide the foam back just a little bit, and you're going to find a hole. Take and insert the end of the Allen wrench. And what this does is when you go to tighten up your suction cup, you'll be able to hold the cancel stick from turning. Now we're just going to take the end of our cancel stick, insert it into the hole in the front of the suction cup, just like that. Then we're going to take our bolt, that started, screw that in there like that. Then we're just going to take our 1/2 inch wrench, tight fit. Then we're just going to take our Allen wrench, pop that out, and you're all ready to go. We're ready to attach it to the mirror, so we're just going to take a damp cloth, wipe down the cups. We're going to clean off the area that we're going to stick it to. Take the lever, push the lever, tighten that one. Then we're going to tighten the bottom one. You're ready to go. Now to take off the cancel stick, super easy. Pop that like that. Pop that like that. You're done.